Okay, we're going back over the real number system, and this says the diagram shows how the subsets of the real number system are related. The symbols represent members of the sets. Marcy wants to replace the symbols with actual numbers. Which symbol could best be replaced with 0? So I'm going to go through and make sure that you understand what all of these are. Irrational numbers are, the most famous irrational number is pi, okay? And anything that looks like pi, if you put pi in your calculator, you will know what an irrational number looks like. It goes on and on forever and basically just makes no sense. It never repeats and it never stops. If you want to know what a rational number looks like, well, rational numbers are all kinds of fractions. They can be negative fractions, they can be positive fractions, but rational numbers are also decimals that stop or decimals that repeat. Okay? An integer, if you want to look at an integer, integers are numbers that would go on a perfect number line. I'm trying to make this small enough where I can make it fit. So numbers like -2, 0, -4, those type numbers that go on a perfect number line, they are integers. Then we have whole numbers. And this is an interesting spot here because whole numbers are the same as natural numbers except for one thing. They include the 0. And then you just go on counting 1, 2, 3 forever and ever and ever. And then natural numbers, they do not include a 0. They actually start with the number 1 and number 2 and just keep counting. No decimals, nothing like that. So if this says which symbol could be best replaced with a 0, it would have to be the whole numbers, which is letter D. So a 0 would be best placed right here in this whole number category. All right?